How you doing? It's Nick here, coming to you from a warehouse in Hopkins, Minnesota, where we sell boxes and truckloads of brand name department store pulled apparel. Clearly, we do have other stuff in our warehouse. We do sell all that stuff, general merchandise, tools, furniture, hardware. That merchandise we sell by the truckload. But as far as the stuff that we have on JTC Auctions, it's all brand name department store pulled apparel. I'll show you that right now as I'm getting over towards the apparel. This is what it looks like behind me. That's how the apparel comes into us. It comes in as mystery boxes. It comes in Gaylords. Again, this is store pulled apparel. It is not all brand new. If it was all brand new with tags, this would be in case packs directly from the manufacturers. Some of them don't have tags. Most of it does. But if this is the type of apparel you're looking for, we do sell this by the box. I sell it by the truckload as well. One thing that separates JTC Auctions separate from other box sellers out there, these mystery boxes right over here, we pull those down, we take pictures of everything that came out of those boxes, and we show pictures of that on our website. So you can click on those. We call them picture boxes. Scroll through all the photos. Again, since this is not all new with tag, most of it does have tags, but there's some that doesn't. You can get some damaged items. We show all of that in the photos so you can see exactly the damages that are on this. As far as if you get a mystery box, and you get damaged items in there, if it's excessive, maybe bought a 50-piece box and you get 10 damaged pieces, please reach out to me. My name is Nick. I'll make it right, and we'll go on from there. We'll see if this is an opportunity for you that would work for your business. Maybe you sell on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, Amazon. That's typically the type of reseller that we're looking for. Some people have fashion stores, but don't get confused. This is not all new with tag. It's not manufactured, case-packed, brand new. Again, this is pulled directly off the shelves. So a lot of times when you're buying this apparel, it is mostly women's apparel. There is men's and children's mixed in there as well. But that's the type of apparel that it is. Again, sizes, since it's pulled directly off the racks, a lot of times they do get consecutive. So a lot of mediums or a lot of smalls, a lot of larges, all at a time. So you're not getting an equal mix of 5 men's pieces, 5 women's pieces, 5 children's pieces, and then all like multiple sizes. It does repeat. That's why when you're going on our website, look at the picture boxes. If you're interested in getting a mystery box, look through about 20 to 25 picture boxes, and that'll give you a good representation about what you would get in a mystery box. If you have any questions, reach out to me. My email address, phone number, it's on the website. It's also in the description of this video if you click on there, or drop a comment. I will reply to it. I'm pretty quick about that. But as far as some of the other stuff behind me, if you are looking for general merchandise truckloads, small appliance truckloads, we have all of that stuff available. I have seasonal merchandise, Christmas, Halloween, things like that. If you are going to Las Vegas for the ASD show, I will be there. That's March 1st, second week in March, I believe it is. As far as other stuff that we have on JTC Auctions website, we list picture boxes every day, probably a couple boxes a day. We don't spend all day taking pictures. Clearly, we're doing other stuff in the warehouse. We have ocean containers that we're unloading right now. We do have several dock doors, so we have truckloads that need to get unloaded, truckloads that need to get reloaded, and then go on from there. So most of my videos that I'm shooting out here, by the way, are after we're closed. We do have other people in the warehouse right now. It is the morning, so people are unloading trucks, working in the warehouse. I typically don't shoot videos from my phone on here while people are working because some people don't want to be on camera. But yeah, this is another example of some of the truckloads that we have. So if this is the kind of stuff that you're looking for, this is not on JTC Auctions. You'll have to contact me. I can send you an email for what that is, or you can come to our warehouse and look at the different truckload options that we have. Here's some more examples of mystery boxes for the department store pulled apparel. I can't tell you exactly which retailer that's coming from, but I'll tell you it's not Nordstrom's, it's not Macy's. It is the same type of brand names, but it's not those retailers. It's a different one. So as far as getting full pallets of Free People, we don't have that. As far as full people of McDougall dresses and things like that, we don't have that either. We do get those brands, but it's just a few pieces that are mixed in there along with Calvin Klein and Michael Kors and Nike, Adidas, and all those other brand names. It's all mixed together. That's the kind of department store that we're dealing with. So if you have any questions, drop a comment, keep on reselling. Thanks again for watching the videos, like, subscribe. Here's a clothing truckload that's getting shipped out right now. Again, that apparel is separate from the apparel that we have on JTC Auctions. We have more of that behind me as well. So thanks, subscribe, like, share, go on from there. Have a great day.